Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by identifying the exact device and driver version in Device Manager so you update the correct component. Once done, make a system restore point and quick file backup to undo changes if needed. Now download the driver from the hardware vendor's support page, choosing the operating system and WHQL signed package when available. Make sure the download matches the model and bitness. Then locate the installer or extracted INF files so you are ready to proceed with installation. You can either run the vendor's installer or open Device Manager and choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer for drivers. If you have an INF file, pick Let Me Pick from a list, then have disk and point to the folder with the INF file. This ensures Windows uses that specific package. Run any executable as administrator and close background apps to reduce interference. After installation, check Device Manager for success and note any warnings or code numbers so you can address them if needed. Finish by rebooting so the new driver fully loads and Windows replaces in-use files. Once restarted, verify the device status in Device Manager and run basic tests that exercise the hardware to confirm functionality. If you see problems, use Device Manager's rollback driver or uninstall, then reinstall, and if needed, reboot into safe mode and restore the system restore point you made earlier. One key troubleshooting tip: boot safe mode and install the previous stable driver or restore the system if the device remains unstable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.